Welcome to the lecture of development of surfaces. Today we are studying how to draw the development of surfaces for cylindrical object, because cylindrical object includes pipes, connections, their applications. So in that case, it is necessary to study the development of cylindrical surfaces when the surface or object becomes complex, and the applications can be studied using the different cases. So when we talk about the development of cylindrical surface, we will get a rectangle over a cylindrical surface. When we wrap the paper or unwrap the paper, what will be the size of the paper? So it will be a rectangle, and it is having the height or width equal to the height of the cylinder, and length of the rectangle, it will be the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. So circumference is equal to pi into diameter of the circle. So all this dimension of the rectangular surface, it depends on the size of the cylinder, means diameter and the height of the cylinder. So one side of the rectangle, it will be the height of the cylinder, and other side of the rectangle, it will be a circumference of the circle. These are the different applications which are there, uh, which gives us the idea where the cylindrical surfaces and the developments can be prepared and applied. So unless and until we use the different geometrical sheets, exact sheets, then only the parts can be manufactured. These are also the pictures which are showing us the applications of the development of cylindrical surfaces. So you can see the ducting of the acids. So these shapes can be exactly uh, cut into their size and shape by using only the geometry of the development of surfaces. So all these figures includes the knowledge of development of surfaces when they are cylindrical in shape. Now today we will see how to solve or how to draw the development of cylindrical surface, and for that we will take a cylinder which is having 40 millimeter diameter and take some axis length 70 millimeter long. Now this cylinder, it is a simple cylinder. Now it is cut by two cutting planes C1P1 and C2P2. So this is the cylinder of 40 by 70 size, and this is cut by a plane which is having the 45 angle to the axis C1P1, and this is C2P2. Each is having 75. So they are intersecting at 4 millimeter distance from the axis. The intersection point is 12 millimeter from the upper surface. So this is about the geometry. So this is the cylindrical part which is having 40 by 70 size, and this is cut by a plane, by these two planes. So upper part is removed and only this much cylinder is present. And if we are interested in manufacturing such a cylinder, then what will be the geometry of the sheet from which it can be manufactured? Because we know when we roll the sheet, you will get the cylinder. Whatever is the length of the sheet, from that we can calculate the diameter of that cylinder, because length of the sheet is nothing but the pi into diameter. So now we are interested in drawing the development of this cylinder, which for which this upper part is removed. This is cutting and this is C2P2. This is also cutting. So upper part is removed and only for the below part, lower part, cylinder, it is to be manufactured. Then what will be the development of that cylinder? So for that now we will see how we can draw that and how we can determine the geometry of that development of surfaces. So for that, draw the front view as it is from the given dimensions. Then the top view, it is a circle. Now for this circle, For finding out the intermediate points on the drawing sheet, metal sheet, divide this circle into 12 equal parts so that we can find out the different 12 parts and project these all points in the cutting plane, on the cutting plane. So project all these points on the cutting plane. Now label these points, different points we are getting. Label these points 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. We have made 12 equal parts. Project all these points in the front view, because only in the front view you can see the exact height of the each of the generator. So only the upper part is removed. So what is the maximum height of each position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So locate all that points. So P1 dash, P2 and 12 dash, P3 and 11 dash, they will be on the same line. P4 dash, that is P dash, 4 and 10. Then A and B intermediate, it is the intersection point we have taken deliberately in addition to that. Then P5 and 9, 6 and 8 and P dash 7. So give the names to all these points. Now we are in position. This cylinder is cut and we have found their top positions also. Upper part it is to be removed. Now this we can do in the development plane. Now we can start for the development plane. Development, it will be a rectangle which is having the distance equal to pi into d, pi into 40. So whatever that distance is there, 125.6. Height will be equal to height of the cylinder, that is the 70. Now from this, we should transfer all these points P dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and up to 12 in the development plane, so that we can cut the unwanted part. We can cut the unwanted part from this sheet so that when it is rolled, we will get the required cylinder. Now for that, make 12 equal parts of this rectangle also, because for the circle, we have made 12 equal parts. Here also make 12 equal parts. We will start the development from the one edge, this one. And after that, we will see the remaining all points. 12 equal parts. Make the 12 equal parts. We know how to make the 12 equal parts of a line segment. Use that method and divide this equally so that this rectangle is divided into 12 equal parts. So one generator will be here and at the last also. So when it is enrolled, you will get this cylinder. But this cylinder is cut. It is not a complete. So now we have to transfer these points P1, P2 and 12, then 3 and 11, all these on this respective these generators edges. So definitely, what is the height of P1? Because this P1 is only present in this way. So this P1 point, it will come here and this part is not there. We have to cut that part. So like this, we have to locate each and every point on the development plane. So our work is now ready for transferring the different points. So this is about A and B. How to take this A and B from 4, copy this distance 4 to A and put here 4 to A and draw this line. So we will get that intermediate points also. Now we can transfer these points from this A and B, 9B, 9B on this side, 9B on this side. It will be at two places. In the top view, we are having the two positions A and B. So same is transferred on the development plane. Now after this, now we can transfer all the points which are there in the front view on the development plane. So it is in the same manner. A tailor cuts the different sections of the cloth and stitches the shirt for us. Now this is the cloth. Now it is just the tracing of the points which gives us the cloth which is to be cut at which positions. So this is one. First we'll start from the point P1. So if you see this cylinder completely at 1 dash 1 dash, it is having only this much of height. This upper part is removed. So this is P1 here also, here also. These are the points P1, P1, which should be marked. P1 here also and P1 on this side also. In the same way, this P2 and 12. Project this P2 and 12. So here you will get 2 point P2. Here it will be P12. So P2 and P12. Similarly, project from 3, you will get 3 and 11. So here from this 3 here and 11 here, these are the points. So mark these points. Mark this point. Continue this work for 4 and 10, you will get P4 and 10. Continue the work for A and B, you will get PA and PB. So all these points are there. Continue with the same location P5 and 9, P6 and 8 and P7. P7. This is the P7. So all these points that are there. Now just we have to join these points with a smooth hand. You will get the development. So unwanted parts are to be cut and remaining parts are to be made bold. So join these points. So this edge is here from 1 to P1, it is there. And then from that you can continue your work. P1, P2, P3, P4, P8, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, PB, P10, P11, 12 and this. So this will be the nature of the curve. And from that again continue work P1 again and can continue the work. So this will be the development of the surface of the cylinder when it is cut by two planes. Now if you use this sheet and fold that, it will give you the diameter 40. At the same time, it will give you the front view like this. So upper part, it will be removed now. All this part, it is removed. So this is the answer. If we want to make the pipe like this will be the sheet. Roll that sheet and get 1-to-1 edge in a welding manner. Complete that welding, it will be giving you the pipe which is having front view like this. So on this side you can join another pipe, on this side you can join another pipe, so, or further work it is possible. So this is the application of the development of surfaces for the cylindrical surface. So for the cylindrical surface, it is necessary to project all the points on the development plane. And from that, the each and every point location is finalized, a smooth curve it is to be drawn. Now let us see another problem which is including again certain more details. So just as previous, this cylinder is cut by the two planes from the bottom side and from the upper side this is the geometry. So any combination is possible. For this also we can draw the development of surfaces. Procedure it is same. Procedure it will be same. First complete the top view, pellicle parts, then the front view. Okay. Then give the names 1, 2, 3, 4. Project all these points. Repeat the same procedure. Give the names in the front view also 1 dash 1 dash 7 dash 7 dash. Okay. So like this. So again, continue the work, 12 equal parts of this 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to this procedure is same. Now, only thing, just copy these different points. So here 8 and 6, here it will be 8 and 6. Okay, then 9 and 5, here it is 9 and 5, 4 and 10, 3 and 11. Okay, from any place you can develop. So from 1 I am opening this, and last is also 1. So from that you can find out the different points. So this is 4 and 10. Okay, so for that this is 4. This is also 4. Here you will get the point P4 and P10. This is the point 1, P1. You will get at this place also, at this place also. So draw this. These are the different points. So this is P1. This is P1. Here also you will get P1. This is P4, P10. 5, this is 5 and 9. Similarly, 6 and 8. This is P dash, 6 and 8. 6. So here it is P6 and 8. Then 7. 7 is the uppermost part. 7. P7. Okay. Similarly, draw the different points 3 and 11. This is 3 and 11. So this is 3 and 11. This is 2 and 12 and 1. 1 will be on the upper side. So 1 1 generator, it is present here. So join all these points with a smooth hand. So 1 1 generator, it is present, and this is the curve which is possible on the upper side. And for the bottom side, you can again project the different points. So this is 5 and 9. So here it will be 5 and 9, 6 and 8. So here it is. This is 6 and 8. Okay. So like this, give the name. This is 7. So 7 on this side. So this is 7. Then 11. Here it is 3 and 11. So 3 here, 11 here. So all these points are to be joined with a smooth hand. So you will get the different points. So all these points are to be joined, and this will give you the development. So when we roll this, you will get the front view like this. When it is opened from one edge, हा पाईप आहे तो कुठूनही कापू शकतो आपण 7 पासून 1 पासून त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला हे येईल development of the surfaces. So this gives us the idea about the development of surfaces when a cylinder is cut in any manner. When the cylinder it is cut in any manner, we can produce that, transfer that points on the development plane sheet, and just copy, cut the unwanted part, make bold the remaining part, so that the development it will be clear to you. So this is the sheet showing the application of the development. So a vertical point, it is to be welded to the horizontal pipe. So this is that diagram. So it is not easy to cut this pipe in this way. Cut करून नाही येणार आहे. It is not possible. So for that, for this pipe development is drawn, the sheet is cut in this manner, rolled that, and after that this pipe is placed on this pipe, horizontal pipe, and then welding is done. So this figure is showing you the application of the development of the surfaces, where at which place exactly this development it is required. So this is there. We want to join the two pipes having any diameters. One is horizontal, one is vertical. We are interested in exact shape of this. So for that, this one, this is the process through which we have to go. Complete the drawing, then roll that, mark the point, sheet वरती mark करायचंय, then cut the unwanted part, roll that, pipe will be there, roll, after rolling, welding will be there, pipe will be completed, and after that it is placed on the horizontal pipe, and complete welding will be there. So often you will see this manufacturing of the joints of the pipe in the water supply arrangement for the civil engineering, water supply, municipal corporation water supply pipes. They are transferring the water using this method only. So at this place, lot of knowledge of development is necessary so that exact manufacturing, cutting of the pipe and joining of the pipe is possible. So here is the assignment for you. A cylindrical surface is having front view like this, and prepare the development of the lateral surface of this. So this will be the assignment. Complete this assignment in 1 or 2 days.